Hi, everybody. It's Alan Lipovsky here from Salesforce. I am joined today by Prag Ravichandran, one of our amazing business partners from Cloud Kettle. Hi, Prag. How are you today?
Hi, Alan. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I see you're off traveling. That must mean you're taking care of one of your amazing clients.
Yes, I am. We're just trying to close a lot of our client engagements before Dreamforce, so we can be a little bit free during Dreamforce.
Excellent. Well, on that note, tell us a little bit about yourself and what Cloud Kettle does.
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to be here today to talk about my Dreamforce session using Quip for better documentation of your Salesforce org. My name is Prag, and I am the Salesforce practice lead at Cloud Kettle, a Salesforce Silver partner. I've been lucky to speak at Dreamforce 3 times previously and will be presenting twice this year. I also lead my local Salesforce Trailblazer community group in Halifax, Canada, and I founded a free local instructor-led Salesforce training program called Salesforce Cohorts on Saturdays that helps people new to Salesforce prepare to write the Salesforce admin certification. That's about me.
Wow, that's fantastic. Thank you so much from myself and from everyone at Salesforce, a 3-time alumni speaker. You've started user groups locally. Hey, Canadian, Halifax, so it's a pleasure to meet another fellow Canadian, but you do so much for the Salesforce ecosystem. So thank you very much for that. Tell us a little bit about, like, with your clients, what you've been doing with them. How are you showing them the power of Quip?
Okay. So I want to give you a little bit background of how it started. Very first time when we first implemented this to one of the biggest telecom company in Canada. So when we started with them, we discovered the most of the other collaborative tools aren't network security friendly for them. So rather than working with their internal IT team, our clients asked for our advice. So that's when we recommended Quip. We did a 20-minute demo. And at the middle of the demo, our client executive say, okay, stop, I'm sold. I'm going to get a 25 license to start a trial. And that's how they started doing it. And then we want to solve their problem, right? So their problem is on the project management and the documentation. They are good at documenting the changes in Salesforce and also in the business, but they are not that great. And they want to track everything inside Salesforce because they run the business in Salesforce. So that's when we introduced a custom object integrated to Quip, and all the documents, whatever they are creating it in Quip, and they have a dedicated folder for specific business units they have, and all the folders and files are shared with the specific business users, and they are automatically tied back to Salesforce, so they don't have to leave the Salesforce console, and they can stick to Salesforce console, and they go to the custom object, and through that, they can access the Quip files, whatever they are looking for. So everything has been integrated and maintained in one console, and that is Salesforce.
I love that. We so often talk about collaboration and productivity, but you focused on 2 very specific things. Security, first of all, number 1. So I love that. And then you're talking about not just creating content on a page, but bringing in Salesforce information and linking together that information along with the documentation that you're doing in Quip. I can't wait to see more about that at Dreamforce, which takes us to my final question. Let's give the audience listening to us today a little sneak peek. Who should be coming to your session and what are they going to learn? Give us that little movie trailer sneak peek about your Dreamforce 2019 session.
Perfect. Okay. So this session is for the admins and business consultants to learn about the depth and power of Quip integrating with Salesforce, not just with the standard objects, but also with the custom objects. In this session, they will also see how easy and effective it is to be integrated and how the two-way sync is happening between Salesforce and Quip. And they're going to see a demo, which is a use case from end-to-end implementation and usage of Salesforce Quip integration.
That sounds great. I know everybody's going to want to be there. Prag, again, thank you on behalf of Quip and Salesforce for being such a great champion. I can't wait to see your session in San Francisco, and I'm sure the audience is going to love what you do. We'll speak to you soon. Safe travels home from wherever you are right now.
Thank you so much for having me today, Alan. It was nice talking to you, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
You're welcome. See you in San Francisco.
See ya.